Good morning, students. Today we will see the development of accounting. We do study about development of accounting. So, students, the early dates back to ancient Mesopotamia and is closely related to developments in writing, counting, and money and early auditing systems by the ancient Egyptians and Babylonians. His book Arthashastra contains few detailed aspects of maintaining books of accounts for a sovereign state. The necessity of bookkeeping and accounting in the early period arose mainly due to the fact that memory of human beings is limited. They cannot remember a large number of transactions that take place in the business with relevant details. As a result, the accounting of business transactions was done differently by different individuals. There was no scientific base for the records. As a result, the transactions recorded by one person could not be properly understood by others. This led to confusion and misunderstanding among the business community. Hence, the need for recording business transactions on a scientific and logical basis was felt. The Mahajani method in India and double entry system in western countries were the earliest systems of bookkeeping and accounting. The present double entry bookkeeping and accounting was first used in Italy in its original form in 1495. In England, Edward Jones wrote a book, English System of Bookkeeping and Accounting. This book inspired a large number of countries to accept double entry system of bookkeeping and accounting for recording business transactions and preparing financial statements of various types. The Industrial Revolution of 1850 brought a large number of changes in the forms of business organization. So, students, along with retailers and wholesalers, partnership firms, private and public joint stock companies came into being. As a result, a special class of professionals known as accountants came into being. These professional accountants came forward to shoulder the responsibility of accounting of large business and industrial units. This was followed by a number of legislations passed in different countries to regulate and control the affairs of commercial and industrial undertakings. The profession of accounting was also legalized and rules and regulations were framed to regulate and control their working. As at now, accounting is no more a system. It has developed as a full-fledged science having its own principles, tools, and techniques. The use of modern technology like computers and information technology for different accounting functions. The science of accounting is developing fast. So students, from the ancient account to today's modern account, we did study about it. So in the next lecture, we will see the accounting principles, concepts and conventions. So students, good day.